G'day, Shah here once again with Four Wheels on the Road, helping you get the most out of your time away. And this trip away, we're out here at Frog Buttress camping area. We're just going to take a look at the walking trails here and a bit of a look at the camping areas that are available for yourself. So let's go check it out. Frog Buttress is just outside of Boonah. It's around about an hour and 15 minutes southwest of Brisbane. The drive itself in is very easy and the site itself is very easy to find. It's two-wheel drive accessible all the way in. The site itself is part of Mugara Peaks National Park, the Mount French section of the park. There's plenty of car parking available on the site, and as you enter you'll also find plenty of information available letting you know about what's around on Scenic Rim and also giving you maps of the walking tracks and information about the site itself as well. Alright, let's take a bit more of a look at the area, shall we? The walking trail out to the lookout here is a really good one. It's a sealed bitumen path, so quite easy to make your way along. We're just going to come out now and have a look at the lookout and see what's on offer out here, and possibly get the drone up and see what sort of footage we can get of the climbing cliffs that are here. I've got to say, it's a pleasant surprise finding this place. Another one of those places that I've just never heard of, and someone put me onto it and I've come and checked it out. So as you'll see here, the campsites are actually really well set out. Great little area. You've got sort of very small, medium sized and quite large tent set up, so really well set out. So as you may have seen in the other pictures, there's a day use area here as well, which has a very similar setup. You've got these really great picnic tables set up, and you've also got gas barbecues over there as well. So if you were over here in the camping zone, which is 20 metres away from the day use area, you could actually use the cooking equipment over there if you wanted to just cook over there and stay here for the evening in the tent section. There is in-vehicle camping and there is the tent section as well, so you've got some variations and some different options available. The amenities block is just over there with flushing toilets, so it's 15 metres away. The access to the walk is very close by just here as well, and you can take a loop walk around the mountain. There's not a lot of longer walks or sort of walks in general in this area, but this area, as I may have mentioned earlier, is mainly aimed at people who climb and people who are going to be using the area for day use. I imagine this place may be pretty popular on the weekends, but I'm not sure. I haven't been here on the weekend. It's the first time I've been here, and it's a Thursday, so I just wanted to come and check it out. And we've just spent the night here, and we're going to head off this morning now. Really nice area. I'm really enjoying being here for the first time, and I think I'm definitely going to come back again. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly share the channel. I greatly appreciate it. We'll see you next time we get Four Wheels on the Road.